me is as I looked at her face, I knew that she was extremely happy, and she was looking down at this little group, and she was smiling. So I got curious, why is she smiling at us? Why is she so happy? So I pulled myself out of the vision to look around, see what's going on. The missionaries were hugging each other, asking forgiveness, and their relationships, which had been, in some cases, had been very tense, were being put right. So the Lord had me raise my hands. I was the youngest one there, never raised my hands in my life, and He filled me and gave me a language. Now, these are all Baptists, and I'm thinking, I wasn't thinking, but later I think, what on earth did they think, this young person coming in here? And her father's a pastor, a Baptist pastor. Fortunately, the Lord, He has His ways. Every one of my brothers and sisters